In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw from Megapari to Mpesa. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. Before we continue, I want you to create a professional Megapari account. To do that, click on register, fill in your details from choosing your country to your email address, repeat your password, and in the promo code box, you're going to use the promo code LeoTV. If you use the promo code LeoTV, you're going to receive a 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means if you deposit $100, you might receive $300. Once that is done, click on these three boxes and register your account. Now let's continue. So if you want to withdraw to Pesa from Megapari, here's what to do. The first option is for you to go over to your withdrawal option and click on withdraw from account. The second option is for you to be in a country that supports the Mpesa application like Kenya. As you can see on my screen here, I don't have the application, but if you're in a country like Kenya that supports it, you're going to see under the e-wallet here. All you have to do is to click on it and continue or follow the instructions that are going to be given to you to deposit money to your Megapari account.